Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is chemical equation balancing lesson number 5. Okay, we have AlBr3 plus K2SO4 yields KBr plus Al2SO4 3. All right, let's see. So let's go ahead and figure out what we have here. We have 1 Al, okay, 3 Br, 2 Ks, 1 S, and 4 oxygens. On this other end, we have 2 Al, we have 1 Br, 1 K, 3 S's, and 12 oxygens. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started, you guys. So we definitely need to put a 2 right here to start with. That'll take care of my K, and that'll take care of my Br. But, oh my, look at this. I've got 3 Br on this side. But let's go ahead and look at this. Al2, so I'm going to put a 2 here. That'll give me 2. That'll give me 6 Br. So now I need to go ahead and erase something here. Now let's get rid of the 2 here. And we're going to want to put a 6 there instead, because we have 2 times 3 is 6, so you can need a 6 over here. When I do that, that changes this to a 6 and changes that to a 6. Okay, and then we need a 3 here, and that'll give me a 6 for that. It'll give me 3s and 12 oxygens. So we get 2, 6, 6, 3, 12, 2, 6, 6, 3, 12. So that's balanced. Perfect. All right, now the next reaction we have, oh, by the way, that was a double replacement reaction. Now we have a combustion reaction. We have C8H18 plus oxygen yields CO2 plus water. So we have 8 carbons, 18 hydrogens, and 2 oxygens. On this side we have 1 carbon, 3 oxygens, and 2 hydrogens. Well, let's go ahead and stick a 9 right here. And when we do that, that gives me 18 hydrogens. It gives me 9, 10, 11 oxygens. And that doesn't really help me a lot on the oxygens, but we'll get there. All right, so now we need to put an 8 here, and that'll give me 8 carbon, 16 oxygens, and then we have, of course, 9 oxygens, right? And that 9 oxygens and 16 oxygens will give me a total of, looks like around 16, give me 25 oxygens. Okay. Now, so we can't put any number here in front of that oxygen to make that work. So what we're going to want to do is we double the amount. So when it doesn't work out the first time, you double it. So watch what happens. I will double that 8 to a 16. And we'll double a 9 to an 18. So let's go ahead and let's double the amount. And let's see if this works. And we'll make this a 16 and make this an 18. Okay, when we do that, this gives me 16 carbon, 32 oxygens, plus 18 oxygens, gives me 50 oxygens. All right, so that's looking much, much better. And of course, hydrogens, we have now 36 hydrogens. Okay, on the other side, we would have to put a 2 here. This would give me 16 carbon, 36 hydrogens, and all we need to do is now put a 25 right here, and that will give me 50. The cool thing about this is if your first numbers don't work, double all those coefficients, and that should take care of the problem. Sometimes you may have to double it more than once. Well, listen, you guys be snarly. I will see you back here at Moose and Chemistry.